No one said the swimming road was easy. From the early morning wake-ups to the constant repetition and drills, the frustration of not being able to learn a certain skill, or the cold you feel when you get out of the pool, not one of those things ever gets easier. But whether you're a swimmer, a coach, a swim parent, or a swimming fan, you are not aiming for the easy road. You are on the road that few dare to take, and a road that is worth it. I believe it is worth it to see swimmers achieve the impossible and break human records to inspire the rest of us to find ways of moving forward. After all, that's what the water always does. It either finds a path or it creates one. For me, the swimming road means patience, failure, and pain. But it also means success, learning, and pride. What does the swimming road mean to you?